Come to the Surrey Hills to test out the new GoPro Hero5 Black in the mud. Should be good fun. For anyone that wants to know, the GoPro is going to be mounted under the visor of my Fox Rampage Pro Carbon. Should hopefully get a pretty good angle. We'll see how that turns out. Beautiful. First run down, testing the new GoPro Hero5 Black. Quite a chilled first run, I think. Quite literally chilled, it's freezing. We'll go down here, shall we? Whoa! Yep. Hi there. That wasn't quite as chilled as I anticipated. Back up for round 2. See what the second run has in store for us. I'd imagine it's more mud. Oh gee. That was slippery. Oh my god! So at the moment I'm recording in 2.7K 30 frames per second Superview. The audio setting is wind only. From what I've watched back on the screen, it looks and sounds pretty good. Definitely sounds better than my last Hero 4 Silver. And because there's no outer case, there's no like rattling when you're going down, so hopefully this video looks pretty decent, but we'll have to wait and see. I think for the next run I'm going to turn the stabilization on, see what that looks like. Could look good, could look terrible. Only one way to find out. Yeah. Jesus. I know a lot of people won't like the stabilization, but personally I think it looks pretty cool. I don't know. I guess leave a comment below if you like it or not. Hello. Oh, cute. Hello. What? Come here. No? Shall I? Must look a bit scary.
Do you know what? Some chap yesterday started screaming at her saying that she'd bitten him, and I was like,
really?
She's a puppy, she's not going to bite you.
There are some lovely people in the Surrey Hills. Hi there. Probably going to get quite raucous. Oh, I was right. Oh my. Muddy. Oh. Puddles. Oh, feel free to subscribe. Means a lot to me. If not, no worries. Maybe next time. You dog.